Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be creating a watercolor birthday card. Throughout the video, I am making two of the same cards, so you will notice doubles. Hope you enjoy the video. Do not forget to like this video. First, I am using green painter's tape to tape down my watercolor paper to a piece of cardboard. Using a paintbrush, getting the whole piece of paper wet, making it easier for the ink to spread around and mix. Next, I will be using distress oxide inks to create my watercolor background. Using an acrylic block, rub the ink pad onto it. With the paintbrush, add water to the ink, helping the color to move around and create amazing colors once more. Colors are added. Tilting the cardboard side to side helps the water move the ink around. Repeat the same process until you are happy with the way the colors turned out. Do not forget to clean off the acrylic block between colors. Recollections heat tool to speed up the drying process. Now that it is dry, going to be taking off the tape. Using the Big Kick machine from Sizzix. Using a piece of white cardstock for the base of the card. Craftsmith Ocean Blues 12 by 12 paper pod. Using the card base to cut out a piece of paper for the front of the card. Now using some glue to glue the blue paper to the base of the card. Using scissors to cut off the extra paper. Off camera, I sketched on the happy birthday greeting on the watercolor design made earlier, using a white paint marker to outline the happy birthday, making it stand out. Using a paintbrush to add water onto of the letters. This helps to remove some of the color. Patting with paper towel where there is water also helps to remove more of the color. Did this to all the letters. Here at what it looks like afterwards. Off camera, I cut out white cardstock a little larger than the watercolor rectangle. Now to glue everything together. Before making this video, I had already made the same card, just with a little bit different colors, using my stamp positioning tool to figure out where I want the stamps on the inside of the card. Closing the lid to pick up the stamps, using black ink to ink up those stamps. Using the heat tool to make sure the ink is dry so it does not smudge. Dual brush markers to color. Now I am going to be using the Distress Oxide ink pads to add color over the words in the center. is how it turned out. I always sign the back of the card, creating little labels for the packaging. Using the heat tool to dry the ink so it does not smudge. Writing the greeting from inside the card. Time to package the card. Ta-da! All finished!